Hello, just a quick video to show you how to solve the last edge on an Ultramorphix. That's the 5x5 version of the Master Morphix. So what you'll find is most of the time, by the time you get to the end of solving these edges, that all of them are solved, but sometimes you get to the situation where the last edge is in this configuration and there is nothing, all the other edges are solved. Now this is equivalent to what we have here on the normal 5x5 Rubik's Cube. And just to quickly show you how I solve it here, and it turns out that solving this one is a lot easier than solving it on the normal 5x5 Rubik's Cube. And the reason for that is because if we look at this, we'll see that there are other edges that are exactly the same as this, this one. So we use that sort of equivalence to make things easier for ourselves. The way I do it on this one, since I'm here, let me just show you how I do it here. So what I do is I split these up like so, and then I call it solved, right? And then all I have to do is solve it, solve these centers again. And by saying I have to solve these centers again, I don't mean just to move it back like this. What I do is I say, okay, this orange needs to come up here, so I line it up with another orange there, and then I kick it out of the way and then move this out of the way and bring the other one back. Same thing here, line the greens up and then back, line them up, kick it out of the way, move it out of the way and then move the other one back. And then all I have to do is basically solve these edges again, and I won't have that situation this time. So with this one, as I said, it turns out to be a lot easier. I was playing with this and I found it very difficult to actually get rid of this without using an algorithm that I learned from another video. However, I was thinking, there must be something that we can do with these ones here, with these other two that are exactly the same. And it turns out to be the case. So all I have to do is line this edge up with another edge that is of the same color in such a way that if I move one piece to the center, so I line it up in the same direction as the center, if you know what I mean. Okay, so if I move this up or across to the other center, it's solved. And then all I have to do is flip this to the other side, to the other direction. And this is a standard thing that you really need to know to solve this puzzle anyway. So the way I do it is I move it up using the front face and then move it out of the way, bring the front face back, and then all I have to do is bring this edge back using the right layer like so, and then this is flipped, and just bring back everything else and it's solved. Okay, so I hope someone's found this useful, and also just as a bonus, this method can actually be used to solve the edge parity problem on the Mega Morphix. Now all we need to do in this case, because we have the edge parity problem in this case, these two are facing the opposite way, these two are facing the same way, so all I have to do is just choose two of them that are of the same color, and I would line it up like so, So they're going in opposite directions, right? And then all I have to do is move these two together and flip them. Okay, and then move everything back. And now this has actually solved the edge parity problem. All we have to do now is, solve it again as a 3x3 master morphix. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye.